Students, today I have come at fractions and decimal chapter number 2 of class 7th. First of all, I want to tell you about a fraction. What is a fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. It means if we divide an apple into 4 equal parts, then each part having equal, then we can write 3 parts, we can write 3 by 4. It means we have to divide, we have 3 parts and 1 part we have given to any other person, then we have 3 equal parts. Now we can write as it as an fraction that will be equal to 3 by 4. And fraction is equal to 3 upon 4. Here 3 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. And fraction is equal to, we can write in general form, fraction is equal to numerator upon denominator, where denominator is not equal to 0. Now, if we put the denominator is equal to numerator, then it will become 1. And it is called unity of fraction. Now, we can say that we can take so many examples of fractions. It means we can divide a bar, chocolate bar, into, suppose we have a chocolate bar which has 10 equal parts. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it consists 10 equal parts. Then if we distribute 3 parts of this to among the students, then we can write how much part will be left with us. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 part will be left with us. Then that will be, we can write in fraction, that will be equal to 7 upon 10. Now fraction which is left with us, that is equal to 7 upon 10. Now 7 is the numerator and 10 is the denominator. Now we have come types of fraction. Types of fraction. What are the types of fraction? Types of fraction. Number 1, proper fraction. Proper fraction, a fraction whose numerator is smaller than that of the denominator. A fraction whose numerator is smaller than the denominator. Then it is called a proper fraction. Now we take some examples of proper fraction like that. 3 upon 4, 7 upon 9, 1 upon 2, these are the examples of proper fraction. Now we have come improper fraction. Improper fraction proper fraction, in proper fraction, numerator is smaller than that of the denominator. In improper fraction, numerator must be greater than that of the denominator. A fraction whose numerator is greater than that of the denominator. Such type of the fraction is known as improper fraction. Now we take some examples of improper fraction. 10 upon 7, 9 upon 4, 3 upon 2. These are examples of improper fraction. Now third type of fraction is mixed fraction. In mixed fraction, a part is whole and other is a fraction. It means a fraction of whole number and a fraction. It is a mixture of, we can define it, it is a mixture of whole and a fraction. Is called mixed fraction. Now we take some examples of mixed fraction. That is 1 right 3 upon 4, 2 right 1 upon 5. Such type of the examples, these are examples of the mixed fraction. Now we come like fraction. What are the like fractions? Like fractions, those fractions whose denominators are same. The fraction with the same denominator are called the like fractions. Those fractions whose denominators are same is called like fractions. Like that, we can take some examples. 1 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 3 upon 7. These are the some examples of like fraction. Now, unlike fractions, we have come on unlike fractions. Unlike fractions, those fractions whose denominators are not same. Whose denominators are different. Is called unlike fractions. We can take some examples. 3 by 4, 5 by 7, 9 upon 11. These are some examples of unlike fractions. Now, equivalent fraction. Equivalent fractions. The equivalent fractions are those fractions whose proportions are same. The fraction proportional to each other are called equivalent fractions. The fractions whose proportion the fraction proportional to the fractions proportional to each other are called equivalent fractions. Now we have how we conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction. Conversion of mixed fraction. Conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction. We can convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Mixed fraction like that 1 right, 1 whole, 2 upon 3. Then we can write in improper fraction. This is a mixed fraction. And it can be written in the form of improper fraction. We can take multiply 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 multiply 3 plus 2 upon 3. Then it is equal to 3 1 ja 3 and 2 5 upon 3. This is improper fraction. Now we can convert a improper fraction into mixed fraction like that. In the same way, we take example conversion of improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now 7 upon 3 we have to divide. We divide 7 by 3, then we get 3 2 ja 6, 1 is left remainder. Then we can write 2 is whole and 1 is left remainder and 3 is a part. We have to divide it by 3. Therefore, 7 upon 3 is equal to 2 whole 1 upon 3. It is in mixed fraction. Then we can convert. Now we take conversion of improper fraction. I hope that you have understand. And we take another question. Now reciprocal. How we can find out the reciprocal to each other? reciprocal of the fraction. Reciprocal, how we can find out the reciprocal, and how we can find out the reciprocal of fraction. Reciprocal of fraction. Reciprocal means if we multiply a fraction by the another fraction, if the product is equal to 1, then they are called reciprocal to each other. If the product of two fractions is equal to 1, then both are said to be reciprocal to each other. Like that, if we multiply 3 upon 5, if we multiply 3 upon 5 by another fraction 5 upon 3, then 5 divided by 5 we get 1, 3 divided by 3 we get 1 is equal to 1. Then 3 upon 5 and 5 upon 3, 3 upon 5 and 5 upon 3 are reciprocal to each other. Now, how we can find out the equivalent fractions? To find equivalent fractions, to find equivalent fractions, like that 1 upon 2, find out the equivalent fraction of 1 upon 2. We multiply 1 upon 2 to the numerator by 2. Here multiply 1 by 3 and 2 multiply by 3 is equal to 1 multiply 4 upon 2 multiply by 4. In the same way, we can find out by multiply 5 to the numerator and denominator. Then we get the equivalent fractions like that 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 6 is equal to 4 upon 8, 5 upon 10. Then students, I hope that you have understand and you can do very carefully, and best of luck all of you.